What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 956 Flips. Today we're going to go ahead and do a Copart live auction, so let's jump into it. Alright, as you can see, the auctions are already going. There was a couple of vehicles that I was interested in, but hopefully they haven't been put up yet. So here's a list of what's to come. Alright, so here's the next vehicle on the block. We've got a 2013 Mercedes-Benz. This one is clean title. So as you can see, I am not eligible to bid on it. It's got 110,000 miles and it's at 3,500. 2013, I think that's a pretty damn good price for, well, here we go. There's that reserve on approval thing. So even though if it goes up to that price what it's at right now, does not mean it's going to sell. So they can say yes, go ahead and let it go for that price, or you know, it'll probably be put back on auction. $2013 for $39.50 is a really good deal, but like I said, that's probably not going to happen. It's a 4-cylinder, 1.8 liter. You can see the bids are at 43 now. Let's take a look at the vehicle. That's nice. I would totally drive that. It's got a little ding right there. Right around there. But nothing major. See other pictures. It's a nice looking car. Yeah, I would totally drive that. No problems. I like it. So now it's at $47.50. Plus you got to factor in fees, guys. 48. I think the next vehicle is a BMW. I'm gonna do a few of these guys and then we'll call it a video. I don't know, I was looking at a couple of vehicles. I have them on the watch. Hopefully they'll pop up during this video, but I don't think so. You know what? We can join back again. Let's see if I can find, okay. So yeah, these are the ones that I was looking at. That Toyota's already way past the amount I would want to pay for that. That one doesn't run and drive. That Verano, the 2014 Verano, it's an enhanced vehicle. It's a flood vehicle. This one looks interesting. I don't think I would bid on it because it's an enhanced flood vehicle and I wasn't able to go look at it, but I think for 500 bucks scrap price is still good. And you tell me, guys, how bad does that look? That looks like, I don't know. We'll just do the live auctions and see what's going on. So let's get back to today's auctions. And we were in the McAllen. You're gonna join it again. Man, that okay, the Mercedes just, no, that's the BMW. All bids are in, Lisa. Okay. So it's at 3,100, 2013 BMW. This one's flood damage, so this one's salvage. It is running and driving. So let's take, oh, she's gone. Now we've got this Ford Transit. That was fast. But again, we weren't paying attention. I'm not interested in the Ford Transit, although that's pretty cheap for a 2015. And this is gonna sell for what it sells for. You see right there, it says pure sale. That means it's gonna sell for whatever the bids are. So it's at 6,400 now. I guess we'll take a look at it real quick. It wouldn't hurt to look at it. Ooh, she's got some major damage there on the side. I thought this was a clean title. Oh no, it's salvage. Okay. Yeah, 7,700, guys. Retail value says 40,000. I guess at that price at 8,000 is a really good deal. Just take in consideration that that's a huge discount. I mean, I can live with that damage there and get it fixed. It's pretty cheap. It's a 6-cylinder. 3.5 liter. So it's at 8,900. I mean, I would pick it up and sell it. Oh, there's some damage in the front. Yeah, there's some more damage that I did not see. Look at the front bumper. So that's probably going to be quite a bit of work. I think an airbag got blown here. That's what it looks like. At 9,000, but still, even at that price, for 9,000 for a 2015, that's retail value at 40,000. It's a pretty good price. Here's a 2015 Corolla, also salvage title, 69,000 miles, 4-cylinder. This one is on reserve. It runs and drives. So I know the damage is in the front end. You can see there. That's pretty bad. Yeah, some serious damage. I mean, nothing horrendous. Let's look at that first picture again. Yeah, looks like hood. Can't really tell unless you go out and look at it in person. There's hood bumper. There's going to be some front end components here that are going to be damaged too. But this is a 2015 and it's at 4,550, retail value of almost 14,500. So that's a good deal too. I'm thinking about 5,000 something with fees there. Let's say where it's at 47. Let's say it goes to 48, maybe 54 in fees. For a vehicle that costs 15, it's not a bad deal. Put a couple $1,000 in repairs and sell it. It's at 49 now. You tell me, guys, would you buy something like this at that price? Fix it and sell it? Buy it for parts and sell it? I don't know. I guess since it is a salvage vehicle, you're not going to get anywhere near the 14.5. So, I mean, there's still money to be made, I think. You guys let me know in the comments if there's any money to be made on these vehicles. I say there is, or else people wouldn't be bidding on them. So last bid was 5,100. Looks like it's going to go for 5,100, and that is going to sell because it is a pure sale. And somebody bid 52. I was going to say it's gone, but no. 5,200. What happened to the sound? Oh, there it is. Makes it kind of like, oh, it's time to bid. 53 sold. Alright. Here's a 2018 Ford Focus. That's not bad. Let's check out the damage. Yikes. That is going to be difficult to repair, guys. That's a 2700. There's plenty of damage there. Now that crunching right here, that's going to cause those doors, the gap. Oh, that's gone. Here's another one. 2006 Toyota Corolla, 1450. This one got hit right there in the front. I think it's going to sell for 1450. That's a good parts car. Or fix that and sell it. But it's sold for 1450. Here's a 2015 Nissan Sentra. Look at that damage. Good lord. Oh man, that got crunched hardcore. I guess engine, transmission, stuff like that's still good. It is a 2015. I would assume, the parts alone would be worth it at that price. It does run and drive. Unfortunately, that one is on reserve, so let's see what happens. Here's an Explorer. Runs and drives, also pure sale. Salvage title. I don't know for what, but it's salvaged. There's somebody bidding on it. Okay, there's the damage right there. That is not a big deal whatsoever. But retail is only 3,000. It's already 13. It seems too expensive to me. This one I don't think I would bid on. Not at that price. If it was $500-600, I would take a chance. Okay, that one's sold. Here's a PT Cruiser. This one's got a clean title and $275. Man, these are one of the worst vehicles out there. $300. At that price, take a chance. It's got hail damage. It does run and drive, But there's the main kicker right there. It is on reserve. So let's just take a quick look at it. Yeah, nothing great about a PT Cruiser. It's up to 400 now, guys. Yikes, look at that interior. Oh my god, it's disgusting. But that's the kind of interior I like to get, to fix it up, clean it up, and sell it. Alright, here's a 2013 Ford Fiesta. So, runs and drives. This is a pure sale, man. That's a pretty good price. 200 bucks. It is a flood vehicle, so there is going to be some kind of interior damage. Man, that thing looks like it went in the water. It looks like it was completely submerged in water. I would not bet on that. Oh Lord, look at this. 2010 Nissan Sentra. Look at that damage. Good night. Oh my god. Oh Lord. Wow. That's horrific. I hope everybody that was in that vehicle is okay. It's sold. Alright, this is going to be the last one, guys. I can keep going. We can make this video 2 or 3 hours, but I don't want to do that. Sold for, looks like it's going to be $325. Let's do one more. Here's a Grand Prix GT. Oh my god. Was it burn? No? Hey, look at that damage. Lord have mercy. And it runs and drives. Alright guys, that's going to be it. I appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you next time.